After the bin Laden raid, the government's denials were unequivocal.
Allegations of complicity or incompetence are absurd. We emphatically reject such accusations.
But throughout this report, there's a tone of disbelief that so many state institutions failed so often and so completely that bin Laden was able to live undetected in Pakistan. The extent of the incompetence was astonishing, if not unbelievable. Local electricity providers, tax inspectors and administrators all failed to spot anything unusual. Their laxity shocked the committee. Taken together, they suggested the possibility of something more sinister. But the Commission can't find any evidence of complicity by local officials. In part, abdication of responsibilities created a dense fog in which anything could have happened. The Commission agrees that corruption, negligence and irresponsibility would have helped bin Laden. But it comments that bin Laden could not completely rely on the whole system being dysfunctional all the time. Local Pakistani support would have been essential. The Commission believes others, including Pakistanis, provided a full array of services for bin Laden on a full-time or irregular basis. But who were these people? Questions about this support network were not answered by the ISI, the all-powerful inter-services intelligence. Did it include former or current ISI members? Again, there is a tone of disbelief. How the ISI missed the size, the strange shape, the barbed wire, the lack of cars and visitors, etc., over a period of 6 years, beggars belief. The report portrays a surreal world where intelligence agencies seem to know very little. There was a strange absence of curiosity even amongst those officials whose duty it was to monitor new residents. The ISI said they believed bin Laden was dead despite verified voice tapes released as late as 2011. The report finds no one at the ISI had any suspicions about the compound, something that was an extraordinary example of intelligence and security incompetence. But does this imply ISI complicity? The Commission appears to recognise that answering that question was beyond its limited means. But it says the possibility of some such direct or indirect and plausibly deniable support cannot be ruled out. This could have come from outside formal structures of the intelligence establishment. The report concludes that the failure to spot the OBL and CIA networks was more a case of negligence and incompetence. But for an institution such as the ISI, it notes that those are far more serious charges than possible connivance by rogue elements.